Jim Hankinson with Back to Wellness Chiropractic, and we're located in Kirkwood, Missouri. This is my patient Colleen. She's been with us about a month, and I'm going to have her tell you why she started coming in to see us.
I was having some neck pain. I thought it was like a pinched nerve, and I had tingling down my arm all the way into my pinky. And it was about at a 7 out of 10 pain-wise. And I decided to go to a chiropractor instead of my general doctor.
Okay, and how's your neck feeling today?
Now it's great. It's at like a 1.
Okay, you still haven't noticed some tingling in your hand?
No,
No?
not at all.
Okay, so that's great news. So when she came in, we did an exam on her, found out she had some compression of a nerve in her neck. She had a lot of muscle involvement in the left side. So we've been adjusting the neck. We've done electronic stimulation, moist heat, cervical traction, and then adjusting mid-back and the low back as well. So we're going to proceed to the adjustment, okay? So I'm going to have you lay on your back first, okay?
Okay.
All right, so I'm going to adjust your mid-back first. I'm just going to take your arms across your chest. Roll you towards me a little bit. Take a really deep breath. Blow it out. Good. One more time. Deep breath. Blow it out. Good. All right. You can get your neck here. All right. Good. And go this way. Just relax it. Perfect. All right, so I want you to roll towards this way on your side. Okay. Perfect. And lay on the other side. You have any tightness in that shoulder blade still?
A little bit.
All right, so I'm going to lay your face down just for a second. Check the muscles out of there. I'm going to pull you down just a little bit. There you go. So muscle work is good to help break up adhesions. Sometimes it's a little bit uncomfortable. How's that feel?
Feels good.
Okay. If she had a big knot that was really active right now and causing a lot of pain, we'd know it really quick. So this just helps to loosen up, restore normal function to the muscle. And I'm going to drop this arm down. I'm going to adjust your ribs on this side. Take a deep breath. Blow it out. Good. All right, now I want you to sit up and face out to your right, that way. And then I'm going to adjust your shoulder as well. Your elbow. Good. Feel that move?
Yes.
Kind of creepy, right?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to do your elbow and your wrist. Fantastic. How do you feel right now?
Good.
Good. All right, so thanks for tuning into our video today. If you like the content that we did on the video, please like it on Facebook. If you have any friends or family members that complain of neck pain or low back pain, remember chiropractic can really do a lot of good, and share it with them. And our website is stlbackdoc.com. Please give us a call, 314-394-2093. Thank you.